Construction sector in the European Union represents 10% of the GDP, and it's responsible for more than 20 million jobs. Besides that, building stock are responsible for 40% of energy consumption and 40% of CO2 emissions in Europe. The application of CATs, key enabling technologies, for the construction industry can help to build more innovative buildings, but mainly more efficient and competitive, with better use of resources and conceived thinking about the quality of life of people and the respect for the environment. Nevertheless, the construction of buildings are still based on traditional methods and technologies. The SUDOKET project aims to improve R&D capacities in key enabling technologies for innovative buildings in research centers, and also to promote synergies between these and builders, manufacturers, designers and other technicians linked to these sectors in order to improve the quality and competitiveness of the sectors involved. Focused on the European SUDOE space, this project aims to contribute to Europe's growth and technological leadership in the field of innovative buildings through a transnational approach to technological promotion and interaction between actors in the habitat value chain. In addition to this, the project has specific objectives to provide an online catalogue detailing the application of CATs in the innovative building sector and analyzing the current challenge and trends in this area. Also, to have an online interaction environment where the principal R&D and industry actors who use CATs to create innovative buildings are identified and interrelated. The other objective is to increase technological knowledge about the use of CATs in the building sector and disseminate the current state among the various actors in this habitat value chain. The first activity consists of a detailed analysis of the state-of-the-art in the area of CATs applied to buildings and the organization of the resulting information in an online information system that acts as a collaborative database. It's called CATpedia. It's intended to generate a source of technical and scientific information that analyzes CATs for innovative buildings and allows this information to be classified, related and made accessible to the community through an online platform. This online platform serves to disseminate technical knowledge about CATs to industry and other entities. CATpedia was designed to provide information on the state-of-the-art of CATs in buildings. This system classifies CATs according to their applications to be easily accessible to the user. In this system, any registered user can add information about a specific technology.
The CAT cluster is a European online platform which aims at providing an international map of the key stakeholders in the field of the key enabling technologies. In the SUDOKET project, we focus on the key enabling technologies applied to the innovative buildings. More especially, we are talking about energy supply, energy storage solutions, advanced materials for construction, and building management systems. So all the stakeholders involved in the research and development of these technologies, companies, research entities such as laboratories, technological organizations, they are all invited to join the CAT cluster. By joining this initiative, they will be referenced and they will get access to a database of potential partners to help them to develop their activities, and they will gain more visibility in these fields. So, if you are interested in joining the CAT cluster of the SUDOKET project, please do not hesitate.
The third activity of this project has built and tested 4 pilot demonstrations facilities for innovative buildings that allow us to validate and demonstrate the use of advanced systems based on CATs. These facilities allow the researchers to validate CAT-based solutions under controlled conditions, increasing knowledge about technology. On the other hand, they also allow manufacturers and installers to observe these advanced technologies in real-scale application. Let's hear from the 4 project demonstrators entitled CAT Materials.
The objective of CAT Materials pilot is to demonstrate the effect of key enabling technologies for innovative buildings, both having an impact into outdoor and indoor environments. It consists of 2 different facilities, one large-scale facility to test the performance of photocatalytic materials to reduce the content of nitrogen oxides in air flows, and a second one consisting of 2 laboratory test cells to characterize and evaluate the performance of phase change materials into the envelope of the buildings and in combination with traditional mortar systems.
CAT Supply.
And you can see here the CAT Supply, the east-west PV array, and also a bifacial, monofacial, and this is monofacial. The backside was covered by white plastic to have an equivalent operating, and also we have bifacial reference with normal albedo, and also we are measuring the real radiance in the backside, and here we have the bifacial with high albedo, and you can see here that the floor is painted with white painting. This is an overview of the bifacial cells encapsulated between 2 glasses, and this is the weather station.
CAT Storage.
CAT storage system is a heat exchanger and a storage unit. This system is coupled with the ventilation system in the building to provide the cooling as a passive cooling system. This system uses the PCM in small containers and allows the storage of cooling and heating in this system. In SUDOKET, one innovation is to select a biosourced PCM materials. During night time, the fresh air comes from the outdoor of the building, and the cooling energy is stored by the solidification of the PCM. During daytime, the internal air of the building is cooled during the fusion of the PCM. The demonstration carried out in this project allows to implement and to test the biosourced materials in a real-life building.
And CAT Operation.
NEG is a SUDOKET demonstrator which promotes the use of control algorithms in smart offices. These control algorithms will manage the operation of several systems in the office, which regulate the zone air temperature, the luminosity, and overall air quality. These systems will reduce the load on active systems, for example radiators, and in turn increase the energy efficiency of the office and also increase the thermal comfort of the occupants.
The 4th activity of SUDOKET project is related to dissemination actions and involve, on one side, CAT Edu. CAT Edu is an educational product that consists of a technical book that brings together the results of the study carried out in the SUDOKET project on CATs and their application in innovative buildings, and also a study guide that lists the different topics covered in CATpedia and CAT cluster applications. On the other hand, we have conferences, seminars and workshops as dissemination actions. The organization of 3 international conferences of the project that were named CRACATIB, Conference on Research and Application of Key Enabling Technologies in Innovative Buildings, is one of those actions. These 3 CRACATIB that happens throughout the project are composed of 1 plenary conference session, 1 industrial workshop, and 1 specialized scientific seminar.